Alrighty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I filmed a Lolita makeup tutorial and hair tutorial. Finally, it has been very long awaited. I even dyed my hair ginger just to do it, and I really like it. I think it's fun. But if you guys want to see how I got this makeup and this hair, then just go ahead and keep watching. Also, I want to add that I know I have been so bad about filming on like a regular basis, but it's because I'm back in my classes full time. I'm doing my best. I promise I will be uploading videos. It just might not be super regular because sometimes I just get really busy and I obviously have to put my work for school before YouTube. So that's why I've been kind of all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get right into it. So Lolita is obviously, I feel like, let me zoom in. It's a pretty natural makeup look aside from the bright red lips. I'm gonna start out with some lotion. This one's from GlamGlow. It's just like a little sample and it's the super glowy one. I'm not going to do primer, I just don't really feel like I need it because I'm going to wash this off right after I film, so but if you're going to wear it all day, then put on primer. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with some bareMinerals foundation. Tarte Shapetape. Now I'm finna bronze. Now blush. I'm gonna use a pretty pink blush just to make me look like more youthful. I'm gonna use this one from my Swamp Queen palette. And I'm gonna put it kind of like under my eyes right here. I'm going to do a couple fake freckles. I have a whole separate tutorial on this, so I'll probably just skip this part, but I'll have it linked down below, and if you guys want to go ahead and use my code for freck, I'll have it right here, and I'll have the link in my bio, so yari. Alright, so now I'm going to fill in my brows a little bit with the color Auburn from Anastasia. So for eyes, I'm just going to go in very lightly with this color from my Swamp Queen palette. It's just like a light kind of purplish taupey color, and I'm just going to apply that all over just to give some contrast, but you know, that's really all I'm going to do. And then I'm going to highlight my inner corner with the highlighter from that palette. And then I'm going to take a little bit of mascara. And now the exciting part, lips. I'm going to use this one from NYX. It's in the shade Cabaret. Cabernet? Something like that. So I did that kind of messily because I'm trying to go for that like just ate a popsicle look, because that's kind of what she has. It's very smeared and messy. So I'm gonna take my finger and blend it out. And then I'm gonna go in with this stain from NYX. It's in the shade Crimson Crush. I'm gonna put that all over my lips. I'm kind of focusing more so on like the inner part just to, you know, enhance that popsicle or lollipop sucking look. That sounded very strange. And then I'm just gonna pop some gloss over top of that. Okay. There's the makeup done. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to hair. And for hair, obviously my hair is way shorter than hers, so I'm gonna have to get kind of creative here. But she's got those cute little braids. So I'm going to try to do something along the lines of that. Maybe I'll do another tutorial when my hair gets longer. But you guys have been like asking for this like crazy. So I'm just gonna do it now because it seems like it's in very high demand. My hair is very staticky right now. It's strange. Okay. So, you're just gonna need some rubber bands and the ability to braid. Pretty simple. So, I'm gonna do like pigtail kind of situation. It's just gonna be inspired by her hair. It's not gonna be the exact hair because I can't do it. So, I'm gonna part this. Actually, she's got a middle part, doesn't she? I don't know if I look good with the middle part. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so I'm just gonna split my hair down the back, down the center, and section one side off for now. And then I'm gonna Dutch braid, whatever kind of braid you want to call it, in my boxer braids tutorials. I got so much, so many people telling me I was calling it wrong, but I've always called them Dutch braids. I learned from Cute Girls Hairstyles, and that's what she calls them, or like pancake braids, or just like, it's just an opposite version of a French braid. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna start right about here. Actually, I might start in the middle just to make it look more like the milkmaid situation. And I'll try to zoom you in a bit. I'm gonna stop right here just because my hair is starting to get too short. So I'm just gonna braid this a little bit down. Okay, so now gotta get a little creative. I'm trying to do like the little loopy one, but I'm just gonna have to do buns because my hair's short. Might even just do pigtails because I don't know if I can achieve a bun. But I'm just gonna gather up the rest of the hair that couldn't fit into the braid with a tiny rubber band and rubber band it up. Yeah, those little layers are not gonna do well, but let's see how it looks. It actually looks kind of cute. Or pigtail. Just a hard decision. What do we like better? Bellas, that's about as good as it's gonna get with it. Okay, so that's about as good as my hair is gonna get with this length. So yeah, this is basically the tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. The final touch, I couldn't find heart-shaped red glasses, so these will just have to do. But this is my Lolita makeup tutorial. Alrighty. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. And if you want to see any videos in the future, go ahead and leave me a request because I love taking requests and getting ideas from you guys. And I will see you next time, and thanks for watching.